The Ross phone holder. Very functional. Look at that. That is going to look sharp on your desk, your table. Real simple, folks. Hello, folks. This is the Ron Ross exotic wood handmade phone holders. These are exquisite. They're hand-honed, handmade. They will hold your iPad. They will hold your phone in the vertical, horizontal mode. A really fine piece of craftsmanship. Padauk, tiger wood, and what is the other wood, Ron?
You got Wangi wood and you got walnut.
Absolutely beautiful, stunning, stunning, stunning pieces of work. I'll put the link on how you can contact Ron for one of these and place an order.